Hi friends, so as you can see, I have a little magnetic board with some letters, and I have spelled some sight words that you may or may not know. And some of these words I know you practiced in kindergarten, and if you forgot, we're going to work on them together, so it's okay. But today we just want to talk about what do we see on this board. If you're thinking that you see words, you are correct. Now, what is a word made of? Okay, so let's talk about that really quick. One of the words that I see is the word and. The word and is made up of letters. So if I put these letters on the back of my board, that's the letter A, just one letter. That's the letter N, and that's the letter D. If I put these individual letters together, they make a word. They're not just letters anymore. This is a word. Okay, and today what we're going to do is we're going to talk about how do we figure out what this word is? What is a strategy that we can use to figure out what a word is? Okay, what I want you to do first is to look at these words on my board. Just take a minute with someone at home or even by yourself if you can. And I want you to try to point to these words and read as many of them as you can.